Hello, 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 beautiful ladies. Give you a couple minutes to join into the discussion, and thank you for joining. I always click to see on my laptop. Let's see. Making sure I am live. There I am. Awesome. So hello, hello, hello. How's everyone doing? Christmas week. Are you ready? Is everything packaged pretty and put under the tree? Not here. We decided to do, actually, my husband asked me the other day, he said, hey, what would you think of a new laundry room for Christmas? And what woman would respond, nah, I don't want a new laundry room. Our laundry room has been torn up. We had a leak in it last year, and it's been torn up for a year. So I am thrilled with getting a new laundry room for Christmas. I will take that as a gift any day. We are having tremendous winds up here for those that aren't in Alaska. Anchorage gets incredible winds, especially up here on the hillside. It was clocked just down the street an hour ago, 112 miles an hour. It's insane, and it is, it's still kind of dark out there. We had so much snow, and now it's 40 degrees and melting, and I guess it's raining down below. We're only 750 feet up, and the mountains behind us. We're at sea level, like 750 feet down the hill is the ocean. So 750 feet down below, they're having rain and light breeze, my husband said. But up here, my office in the trees is on these little pillars, and it feels when the gusts come down off the mountain behind us, it feels like we're going to lift off, and they say it's going to get stronger. The worst I've felt living here in this log home has been 134 miles an hour, and that is really, really strong. So if Chancey gets a little nervous, that is why, because a gust is coming through. And when I'm done here, I am going to take all the rugs and shake them out and do a little cleansing dance out in the backyard. So there you have it. What's the weather like where you are today? Let me know. If you're watching the replay, please click replay and let me know if you're ready for Christmas and what the weather's like where you are. We hear it every year. Have a mantra. What's your word for the year? What's going to be your words for the year? Right? Like, how many of you have seen that question posted in different groups, on social media? And that's all wonderful to have a word for the year. My question to you is, what do you do with that word? What do you do with that word that you create for the year? That's going to be your mantra or your word of the year. What do you do with that word of the year? It's great to have it. And then my question to you is, what do you do with that word? Years ago, when I started the vision mapping framework, the mantra, the word, the core of the whole map goes in the center of the map. And the word or the words help when you hit an obstacle, when you're feeling stuck, and I'll explain more here in a second. It's best to have, when you're doing a vision map, it's best to have something short, words that are really powerful. One of the visionaires in the Visions to Profits membership community, she calls her mantra her power words. So really strong words and fewer of them. so that they're easy to say, they're easy to remember, they're powerful, strong, like a snap, 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 snap words. Think of Nike. I always use Nike. Just do it. Just do it. Right? They're super powerful words that are clear. They're concise. And they lead the customer to them. They lead contractors to them. They lead employees to them. They are a piece of their vision and their mission. The stronger, clearer, shorter words you can use will really help you when you hit that obstacle, when life throws something at you that is crazy. They will help to ground you and to remind you of why you are doing what you do, why you're trying to achieve the goals you're trying to achieve, and help you to get back onto the pathway of moving forward. So that's what those power words are really designed for in the vision mapping framework. They are the core, they are the essential part, and then the whole rest of the map goes around those words. So I would like to know what your power words are, what you will be using for your mantra moving forward. And I have my annual Pay What You Will vision mapping workshop coming up to January 2nd. I do it once a year, and you can pay whatever you want to join. It's 2 hours via Zoom, and you will leave with your detailed 2021 plan. I'll pop the link below. I would love to know if you're ready for Christmas, where you're joining in from, and what your weather's like. What your words are for the year moving forward. And last question, if you are planning to join the Pay What You Will 2021 Vision Mapping Workshop. Merry, Merry Christmas to all of you. I'm wishing you and your family lots and lots of joy and much love. Merry Christmas, friends. Talk to you soon. Bye.